Welcome back to the Python 0 to Hero series on EasyPY. In episode 3, we'll explore numeric data types in Python, integers and floats. These are the foundation for all mathematical operations in your programs. Section 1, Integers. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, without a decimal point. Examples include 10, -5, and 0. They're perfect for counting, indexing, and situations where you don't need fractions. Section 2, Floats. Floats are numbers with decimal points, like 3.14 or -2.5. They're used when precision with fractional values is required, such as in measurements or scientific calculations. Section 3, Type checking. We can check the type of a variable using the type function. Integers will return class int, while floats will return class float. Section 4, Basic Arithmetic. Python supports addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with both integers and floats. / gives a float result, // performs floor division and returns an integer, % gives the remainder, and *** performs exponentiation. Section 5, Float precision issue. Floating point numbers may have precision issues due to how computers store them. For example, 0.1 plus 0.2 might return 0.30000000000000004 instead of 0.3. This is normal in many programming languages. Section 6, Rounding numbers. We can use the round function to round a number to a specific number of decimal places, making it easier to work with. Section 7, Converting types. Python allows converting between strings, integers, and floats using functions like int and float. Section 8, Math Module. Python's Math Module offers extra mathematical functions, like square roots, powers, and constants such as pi. Integers and floats are essential building blocks for any Python program. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next lesson.